Hello, this is a tutorial on the robotic arm application. So in this application, we control the position of two servo motors, and the two servo motors are attached to a robotic arm or clipper, and you will see that the little gripper um, can move the arm in two directions, which is the x-axis and the y-axis. So the y-axis is actually used to actually do a rotation of the arm, whereas the x-axis is actually used as the gripper. So um, by changing the position of the x-axis servo motor, you can actually be able to grab or grip some objects of different sizes. So the hardware required for our application is the Arduino board and the little gripper with servo kit, which also includes the gripper as well as the two servo motors. So in the schematics, it is very similar to the servo motor, and we have the black wires which are getting connected to the ground. The red wires are connected to the VDD or the power supply, and the yellow wires are the signal wires through which the PWM or the pulse width modulated signal is sent to the servo. And we have two of them. One is connected to pin 9 of the Arduino, and the other one is connected to pin 10 of the Arduino. So here is our application. In this application, we actually use our built-in servo library. So we declare, since we have two servo motors, we use two instances of the library like myservo and myservo2 to control um, the position of the two servo motors. So here is the hardware setup. As you can see, we are actually connected. This is one of the servos, and the next servo is at the back, and the yellow wires are going into pin 9 and 8, and the two red wires are connected to the power supply, and the two black wires are then connected to the ground. So here again we are using a breadboard shield in order to perform this experiment. So now we go on to the compilation and uploading of our little gripper or robotic arm application.